Hi, in this video I'm gonna talk about shading and a bit of color theory. When you wanna shade something, there are a lot of things you can consider for what final look you're going for. There are a lot of emotions you can express with where the light in your drawing is coming from and what colors you use. Let's take a very quick dive into color theory. Here's a color wheel, the same one as in Clip Studio Paint. You can split the colors up into two categories, warm and cold. Purple and green can be a bit weird. Warm colors can express positive emotions, like joy and happiness and love. And cold colors can portray negative emotions like sadness or fear. Same with where the light is coming from. Front upper light and less shading feel more positive. And low, dim light and harsher shading feel more negative. Shadows do tend to be on the cold side and light on the warm side. But you know, rules are meant to be broken. To test out which shading fits your drawing better, you can make a sketch shading and highlight layer, like this. These don't have to be perfect, of course. But this way you can get a feel of what the drawing is gonna look like and which colors fit your drawing better. You can also make a little palette on the side. I also use Multiply and Linear Blend to get the colors I use, and I put the highlight layers in Glow Dodge and add glow. They give the prettiest effect. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will release the rest of the footage as a speed paint so you can watch my entire progress. If you want to see more of my drawings, you can follow the links in the description. If you want to see more of my work, you can follow me on Twitter or Tumblr. I suggest Twitter. Yeah, let's keep it at this. Yeah. I'm just gonna give up. I can't speak on camera.